Right then, we are doing a little flagging job today for one of my customers that I built. I did a bit of a wall for there, you can just about see it. So we have got to take out that stone there that's sort of breaking away, and then we're going to bring this across, run it away from the house, off onto here, and have it at a similar level to that. Probably going to be a little bit higher than that, just because of how those stones are laid, that falls away. But yeah, it's not a massive job, it's just something a little bit different that I said I'd do for him. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, you can see where we got to yesterday. Just going to do some pointing this morning because we're due some showers this afternoon, so I'm going to do the pointing while I can, put a tarp over it, and then I'm going to finish these bits down here that I've not finished yet. Process for brushing out, so you can see all these marks in here, and there's little bits from the edge here. So all I'm going to do is sort of run along it, scrape these bits off, and then all I do is get the brush. You can see just sort of textures it up nicely, just sort of looks like a nice finish then, rather than this finish with little bits in it and stuff. It just finishes it off nicely and gives it a right nice traditional look. Okay, we're all finished up. I don't know if you can see that on camera. That's just a bit of water there. It'll need a bit of a hose off and a brush off when it's all mortar joints have dried, but sort of get the idea there. Looks well. Hope customers will be happy with it. And I think, yeah, that's us. On to the next one.